Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I am fine. Thank
Okay.
you. What is the difference between an atom and molecule?
Yeah, the difference between an atom and a molecule. You know, atom is the most basic unit of some substance. Further than that, we cannot go much deeper and have some independent unit. However, when two or more atoms, when they come together, they form a molecule. It's like a person in the family, like a gents, male, and a female from some other family, and they come together. Both are atoms, and they come together, they get united, form a bond or many bonds, and they form a new structure, a new entity. Now, same way, a molecule is having more than one atom, and it will have different property than the constituent atoms. For example, if I give you example of water, water has two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. These are two hydrogens and this is one oxygen. They come together and they form water molecule. Now, see, very interesting. Oxygen is a gas, hydrogen is a gas. But when they come together, hydrogen and oxygen, when water is formed, what is it? It's liquid. So the physical properties completely change. Not only physical, the chemical properties they will also change. An apple, how is the mass of that apple already calculated? So whatever there is there inside the apple, they say the seeds and whatever else, everything contributes to the total mass of an apple. Same way, the mass of an atom will be the mass of all its constituents. They are protons, neutrons, and electrons. However, since the mass of electrons is comparatively negligible, we don't take into consideration the mass of electrons. So what remains?
Protons and neutrons.
Protons and neutrons. So mass of protons plus neutrons will give you the final mass of an atom. But if there are more than one atom, then protons and neutrons of each and every atom which is there in the molecule. For example, one oxygen atom has 8 electrons, 8 protons and 8 neutrons. So the mass will be the mass of 8 protons plus mass of 8 neutrons.
Okay.
So it will be effective mass will be 16. The unit of this mass is AMU. 16. Now mass of one atom of oxygen is 16 AMU.
Okay.
But in oxygen molecule, since we have two oxygen atoms, we have to make it twice to find the molar mass of an oxygen molecule. So 16 into 2. 2 stands for 2 atoms of oxygen, constituent atoms. So it gives you 32. So 32 is the molar mass of an oxygen.
Molecule.
Good. Now we will take example of water. Water molecule is formed by 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So hydrogen will have how many neutrons or protons?
Only one proton.
Very good. So hydrogen doesn't have any neutron. Remember, that is an exception. Hydrogen has one electron and only one proton. So effective mass will be the mass of the proton. So one mass of one proton is equal to the mass of that hydrogen atom. That is equal to 1. Now, since there are two hydrogen atoms, we'll have mass of two hydrogens as
2m.
very good. And then we have to add to that mass, atomic mass of one oxygen. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So add 16 and 2 for 2 hydrogens. So we get
18.
18. So 18 is the molar mass of water molecule. That's how we have calculated. Did you get it?
Yes.
What is molar mass and how we calculate it?
Yes, I understand.
Very good. Okay, now I'll ask you a very simple question. What is the molar mass of hydrogen molecule?
Hydrogen molecule contains 2 atoms. So it will be 1 plus 1.
Very good. That is equal to 2. So the molar mass of hydrogen is 2. What is the molar mass of sodium chloride?
It is a common salt.
Very good. So,
So common salt is 1 sodium and 1 chlorine.
uh, so what is the atomic mass of sodium?
23.
Correct. And what is the atomic mass of chlorine?
3.5.
Good. So now, tell me what is the molar mass of sodium chloride? What plus what?
23 plus 35.5.
23 plus 35.5, and that equals to?
That is equal to 58.5.
Very good.